Nando Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Wil-Fel's Delicacy. I have known Wil-Fel's Delicacies since I was elementary, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, matalik ko pong kaibigan ng owner nito. Sabi nga dito, they have been in the industry since 1986. Talk about, tenureship, talk about experience sa mga kakanin, no? Right now, may pinadala po silang 4 boxes of delicacies, mga native kakanin, no? Sa panahon ng, panahon ng milk tea, panahon ng unlimited wings, panahon ng samgyeopsal. These kakanins are still a must try sa mga celebrations, as well as, this kind of afternoon, no? So, magmimerienda po tayo ngayon. Let me reintroduce them to you sa mga hindi po nakakakilala, like for example, mga millennials, mga ganyan. So, let me introduce them to you guys. Starting on my right, ito ang tinatawag nilang Cassava cake. Next is, ito naman tinatawag nilang rice cake. Sa Kapampangan, we call it kalame. Kalame nasi. Yan. Next box is what they call Mochie. Last box for our native kakanin, ito ang tinatawag nilang Maja Blanca or sa Kapampangan, Tibok-Tibok. So, isa pang pinadala sa atin is yung cheesecake box. Ayan. So, this is from CHEESECAKE.ph and isa pong matalik na kaibigan din ni Wilfredo ang nagpadala nito. So, we're gonna taste it as well later on. If you are to ask me kung ano yung kakanin na favorite ko dito sa apat na to, I would go for the rice cake. So, tingnan na natin. Wow. Ooh, wow. Ang gusto ko naman tikman susunod is yung kanilang mochi. So sa mga historian dyan, pwede ba natin matanong kung ano yung origin ng mochi? Is it a Kapampangan word? Or is it a Tagalog word? Or is it a word from somewhere else? Oh, wow. Sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, sa inaraw-araw na nagbablog kami dito at iba-iba na yung mga pagkain na pinapadala nila. It's such a great feeling na makatanggap naman kami ng mga native na kakanin na pwede natin talagang ipagmalaki. Okay, next to taste is yung kanilang Tibok-Tibok. Sa Katagalugan naman, mas popular name nito ay ang Maja Blanca. Oh, wow. So lastly to taste from Wil-Fel's Delicacies is yung Cassava cake naman nila. Wow, that was really interesting. Although last natin siyang tinikman, medyo lumalaban siya dun sa rice cake na favorite natin. So again guys, we would like to thank Wil-Fel's Delicacies for sending us these. Lastly to taste, this is a cheesecake in a cup. Ayan. So, parang siyang cupcake cheesecake. Makes sense. Yeah. So, once again, maraming salamat din saycheesecake.ph for sending us a box of, your sweets. Oh, wow. Sa Kapampangan, meron kaming exaggeration sa mga pagkain. Kapag sinabi nilang babarugya, it means lumalaban ang lasa nito. Babarugya. So guys, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I hope you give this video a like, share it with your friends. Hope to see you in the next video. I'm gonna share this with my family. See you there. Bye.